Hey, friends. Hope you're all doing good today. Today, I have an awesome strategy that I want to share it with you guys. Without wasting any time, let's go ahead and walk you through the strategy. So, for this strategy, we need a couple of moving averages and RSI, and yeah, this strategy can be applied to any time frame starting from 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minute, 1 hour, and also across any assets like crypto, stocks, forex. But for this example, for this demonstration, I'll be using a 5 minute time frame on Euro USD forex pair. So let's go ahead and start the setup. So before that, let me clear the current setup so that you guys will be understanding the whole setup from scratch. So let's go ahead and add the indicator. The first indicator you need is ALMA. Type in ALMA. You see this under technicals, you'll see this Arnold Legox moving average. Add that to your chart. This moving average, if you compare it with other moving averages, this acts pretty fast and pretty close to the price, and it will help you with accurate trade entries. So this is what we need. And other one, type in MPA. You'll have this Madrid profit area. Add that. And then the third one is the usual like EMA exponential moving average exponential or technicals. Add that to your chart. And then the last one is RSI, which I always use. Let's add that on a technicals relative strength index. So this is all we need. So let's update the settings now. ALMA settings, inputs, change the window size to 200, and on the style you'll keep it blue but make it a little bolder. So yeah, that'll be good. And then on the MPA, we need to change the fast MA length to 5 and the slow MA length to 13, and change the plot background to white and make it a little darker, so that'll be very clear. And then EMA, change the EMA length to 21 and style EMA color to yellow. Okay, make it a little bolder so it'll be very clear, right? And the RSI settings, change the RSI length to 25 and MA length to 100. So these are the settings that I always use in my trading strategy, and I usually keep the RSI upper band to 55 and lower band to 45, so that I have a pretty strong rules. In order for me to go for a long, the RSI should be above the 55 level. In order for me to take a short, the RSI should be below the 45 level. It will be basically it'll help me making an entry when there is a strong trend, either upward or downward. So that's why I have it that way. So I'll make this RSI background a little brighter, and probably the RSI change the color to white, and RSI MA moving average red, and then make it a little bolder. And this is it. This is all we need. And yeah, it's a pretty simple, straightforward strategy. Because the strategies, in order for you to follow the price action, the strategy should be simple and easy to follow, and the rules should be pretty clear for you to make entries and when to exit, right? So for this strategy, if you want to make a long entry, you got to make sure. So you see this here, like the price should be above ALMA 200, the blue line, and then the white cloud should be above the yellow. All right, yellow line is nothing but EMA 21. So these are basically EMA 7 and 13. So this white cloud should be above the yellow line. You'll make a long entry. All right, and you got to make sure these are not touching each other. This ALMA should be way below it and then should not be touching, right? They should all be separated from each other. The white cloud should be above the yellow line, and then you can make a long entry here without any more thinking. And you got to make sure, as I told you, RSI should be above the top level 55 and above the moving average. All right, so we'll make a long entry here. This is one entry, and when the price come back into the 21 acts as a magnet. The yellow line, EMA 21 is always acting like a magnet. Comes back, but again turns back, and confirmation from RSI is above 55. You can make a re-entry here. You can make another re-entry here. Always make sure for a long, it should be above the ALMA 200, the blue line, and the yellow cloud should be above the yellow EMA 21. So as long as you see this, like as long as the white cloud is above the 21, you can stay on the trade. All right, so here till here, and then the white cloud is gone. All right, so this is a pretty good long entry, and let's look at the short entry now. So this is one. You got to make sure this cloud is not touching the 21. It's way above. It's way above. You see this gap angle, right? So here you can make another long entry here when it broke the previous highs, right? And then look at here. This is a pretty good trade, and the RSI also above the 55 level, right? And for a short entry, again, say this here, it's not touching. It broke the ALMA and came below the below the ALMA, and there's a gap here, right, between ALMA and EMA 21, and the cloud is below EMA 21. You can go for a short here, and RSI is below the 45 level, the bottom level, right? So yeah, you can, like this one more short entry here, there's a pretty good short entry here, there is a good short entry here. Again, you see this, the cloud went above the ALMA and then above the yellow line 21, a long entry here, and RSI is above the top level 55. There's a long entry here. This is all sideways market. So the reason I'm having this MPA, it's clearly visible. The trend is clearly visible, right? The trend is always your friend, right? It'll never break your heart. It's pretty easy to follow, and it's clear, like clearly visible. The white cloud above the yellow line and also above the ALMA. It's a pretty clear entry, right? So when they are touching each other, never make an entry. All right, like say for example here, they are all touching each other, right? Like here, if you make an entry here, you're safe, right? When they are not touching each other, the price eventually went all the way down, and then look at here, right? The cloud went above ALMA and also the EMA 21, the white cloud. You can make any entry anywhere, any of these candles, right? The price all the way here, right? You can exit somewhere here, and you can re-enter here. The cloud went above the yellow line, and say this is all, you're protected from entering the trade. And right now, right, the cloud above 21, you can make one small entry here. Usually never trade during this time of the day. It's a Sunday at 9:30. So if you are actually during London or New York time, you'll have pretty good chances and clear entries with lot of volatility and volume. So let's go back, see more examples. Yeah, see this is all long. As long as the cloud is above the yellow line, you're safe. Long entry. All the way, all this, right? So this you'll not enter because this cloud is not below the ALMA, and also the 21 is not below the ALMA. So wait with patience. Got to make sure everything is above ALMA or everything is below ALMA. All right, ALMA 200. Yeah, this is one short entry. This is a clear short entry. This is all sideways touching each other. Hope you guys got this. It's pretty clear and easy. So if you apply this to your chart, the same settings, I'm pretty sure you'll be better at your trading game. That's all, guys. Yeah, see here the cloud, and also 21 above ALMA and RSI above the top level 55. It's all yeah, this is one entry, this is one entry here. Yeah, it's pretty, if you have patience, you can just make a successful trading entries all day, every day. Hope the strategy, I'm sure if you do the setup on your charts, it'll help you guys, and good luck with your trading. Happy trading. Thanks. Bye.